Alright, so one minute wisdom from the Rebbe for today. So in Parshas Teruma we describe the building of the base of Mikdash. Now we read about the fact that you need to take certain skins and dye them red, and then you need to have tachash skin. What does tachash mean? Rashi says it's the name of a certain animal, which had a beautiful color skin. So you take that skin and be able to use that to be able to make the awnings for the base of Mikdash. Now, what is this idea? Why is Rashi trying to say that it's a certain animal? Obviously. So the explanation is that Rashi is trying to say it's not a regular skin that you dye with herbs, rather it itself is beautiful color. You're using the animal itself, and the animal itself's skin is beautiful. What's the difference? Because we know there are different levels in creations. There's inanimate objects, then there's herbs, plants, things like that, and then there's animals. Now, the animals are on a higher level than plants, and therefore Hashem wanted that the outer layer of the covering of the base of Mikdash shouldn't just be made out of something which is plants, but even the dye, even the coloring of it should be from the level of animals, much higher level, because animals come from the word chaya, which means life, and that has to do with Hashem himself, because even the most external things come from Hashem himself, and Hashem is energizing every single detail of the world. And this is also a lesson for us. Sometimes a person might think, I understand that doing the action of a mitzvah has to be done exactly, you have to follow the exact halach of what you're supposed to do. Even the intention, the kavanah when you're having a mitzvah is very important, because you know that if you do a mitzvah without kavanah, it's like a body without a soul. It's very important to have the proper intention. But seemingly there's extra details, the hiddur mitzvah, making the mitzvah extra nice, the customs, why are those so important? Comes Hashem to tell you no. When it comes to building a base mikdash for Hashem, when you want to do Hashem's mitzvahs, the customs are the most important. Even if it's an external thing, it's only the dye, it's only the coloring, it only looks like it. No, that actually makes a very big difference. Even for children, you have to teach them the customs, and specifically through being exact about these things, we'll be zeicha to actually have the third base of mikdash may it be right now. L'chaim, l'chaim.